Sure, this is actually something that comes up with me and my coworkers a lot. There's a lot to say about it. I think, well, first of all, the Constitution, it says in the Second Amendment that we do have an individual right to carry a firearm. Larry Elder did a document about this. There have been women who have been concerned about, they might be victims of domestic violence, they're worried about being stalked, and then they say, I need a gun, it's what I need to be safe. And then, they get caught up in waiting periods and whatnot. Why not just, if they've proven that they don't have a criminal record and they've proven that they're a responsible person, why not? Like there's safe ways to use guns. And if someone's not going to use a gun in a safe way, then a law's not going to stop them to begin with. And as for the policy side, I've never really understood the argument that if you ban guns, that will somehow keep us safer, because if you ban guns, then the people who will actually obey those laws are the ones who aren't getting in trouble in the first place. Who's going to ignore the laws? The people who ignore them to begin with. If criminals are not worried about getting caught for something like armed robbery, then why are they going to be worried about like a gun infraction? As for the individual rights part, there's, a lot of times I think like the Brady Center will cite statistics and they'll say, guns kill this many people every year. Every year, swimming pools kill more people than guns, so should we ban swimming pools? And even if these, I just don't understand how we could say to an individual person who says, I need to have this firearm for my personal safety and that I'll be careful. What are we going to say? Well, lots of other people have misused guns, so for that reason we can't give you one. I just don't understand how there's any justice there.